In this video, I'm going to show you how you edit your payment buttons. If your payment buttons are not set up properly, you're not going to make any sales, okay? I'm going to show you, this is a payment button that has not been edited, and this is for the 600, okay? And the next payment button is my 900 that has been edited. You can see the difference here. The correctly edited payment page will have the 900 showing up here. Now for the 600, just see the difference. There's no 600 showing up here. That means this is not correct. Okay, this hasn't been edited correctly. And this hasn't been activated. Let me use the word activated. This has not been activated. This has been activated. And you can see it says Legacy Builder 900. Okay. So now, how do you activate your buttons so that your payment pages? I'm going to show you how to do that. So for the legacy, this is the legacy. You have to come to the 900 order form. Okay. You come to the 900 order form. I'll show you what I did already because I've done that. You see, I have a tick here that says digital product. And I have where it says digital legacy amount, and we're going to do that for the 600 so you can see exactly what I did. Okay, so for the 600, I have not done that yet. I'm going to click on digital products. Okay, and I'm going to click on price plan. It's price plan you want, not resources. You want price plan. Click on price plan. And in the price plan, you're going to put digital mastery. Create new one. Okay, so you're going to say digital mastery program. Okay, I'm just going to copy that again, do it twice. Price plan. Okay, and then here you want to put your business name. So I do coaching for excellence, coaching. You can put your name, whatever it is you want to use. And then the price plan is a one-time payment, okay? And then you put the amount. And the amount is 600. 600. Okay? And then you save. So I want you to just take note of this. Digital mastery goes here. Digital mastery goes here. Okay? Mastery program goes here. Your business name goes where it says statement descriptor. That's your business name goes there. And it has to be one-time payment. And then the amount goes here. And then you save it. Okay. Now that we've saved it, if we click on view funnel step, scroll down. Can you see that 600 is popped up? The first time we did it, I want to see if the page doesn't refresh, you can see the old one. The page might refresh. Okay, this is it when we haven't edited it. Okay, there's nothing there. And then now that we've edited it, we've activated. Let's use the word activate. You can see 600. That's how you know your payment page is ready to receive payment. You have to see the amount here, okay, because people will have to choose and then buy button. Okay, so now I'm just going to do one more page for you so that just for you to understand. I don't want to keep this too long. I'm going to do the 300 form, and again with the 300 you go choose digital product, and then you want to go to price plan and you click the blue button. Okay, and then you want to click on create new one, and then you enter the name of the 300, which is the passive daily pay blueprint. Okay, and you just copy that, you put it there again, and then here you put your name, your business name, or your name. Okay, and then the price is one-time payment. and then here you do 300. Then you save. Okay, and then now when we view our step, you're going to see that the 300 appears on the page now. 300 appears on the page. Okay, so now there's one more step I want to show you guys, which is editing your sales page. So this is your digital sales mastery. Okay, let's use that one. You click on it. You want to add your order form. So we're going to copy the order form link. You're going to copy your order form link, not the 29 form. And also, don't move the position of this. Make sure the 29 for this is under this. Don't move it, because when you move it, you confuse your system. Don't move it around. So this order form, we're going to copy the link. We're going to go to our sales page. Okay, you're going to go to your sales page. You're going to click on edit page. Okay, edit page. And when you go to your edit page, everywhere you see your button, you're going to add your order form link. I'll do another video showing you everything, but since we are doing payment buttons, I wanted to just show you this very quickly so that you see everything in one video. The computer is freezing. Okay, so you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll down. Okay, so you're going to scroll down to your buttons, okay? And you want to click on this. And then you're going to come here and you're going to paste your order form link. It has to be your order form link. And if you haven't watched my video where you edit your link so that you can easily identify what link, you watch that video so that you know that your 600 link is your 600 link. So here you copy your order form link, which is a 600 link, and you put it in here and you save. Okay, so that when somebody clicks on this link, when it's active, they can make purchases. So there are two steps here. The first step is to make sure that your order page is activated, and then you add your order page is activated as that. And then you also add your link to your sales page or to your website. Okay, to your website. So I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask, and I'll be happy to answer any queries that you have using a video. Okay, see you in the next video.